Click on the link below to get price. The Blackstone Omnivore Outdoor Flat-Top Gas Griddle is designed for those who enjoy versatile outdoor cooking. Measuring 36 inches, this griddle offers a spacious cooking surface that can accommodate various meals for gatherings, family barbecues, or casual outdoor cookouts. The design reflects a blend of functionality and durability, catering to both novice and experienced cooks. This griddle features a hard cover, which can serve multiple purposes. The cover not only protects the cooking surface when not in use but also helps to maintain the temperature of the griddle when cooking. Constructed from sturdy materials, the griddle promises longevity, making it a reliable addition to outdoor cooking setups. One of the standout features of the Blackstone Omnivore is its 4 independently controlled burners. This design allows for precise temperature control across the cooking surface, enabling users to prepare a variety of dishes simultaneously. For instance, one might use one section to cook pancakes while another section grills vegetables or meats. This flexibility can be particularly beneficial when catering to different tastes or dietary preferences. The cooking surface itself is made from cold-rolled steel, which helps in retaining heat and ensuring even cooking. The flat-top design is suitable for a wide range of foods, from breakfast items like eggs and bacon to traditional lunch or dinner options such as burgers and stir-fries. This versatility makes it a valuable tool for anyone who enjoys outdoor cooking. In terms of usage, the Blackstone Omnivore is designed with user-friendliness in mind. It features a push-button ignition system, which facilitates easy startup, and the burners can be adjusted quickly to achieve the desired cooking temperature. Additionally, the griddle includes a grease catchment system that aids in easy cleanup, an important consideration for those who frequently cook outdoors. In conclusion, the Blackstone Omnivore Outdoor Flat-Top Gas Griddle offers a practical and versatile cooking solution for outdoor enthusiasts. Its spacious cooking area, independent burner controls, and durable construction make it well-suited for a wide range of culinary endeavors. Whether you are grilling for a crowd or preparing a simple meal for yourself, this griddle is designed to deliver a satisfying cooking experience.